Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel SwissRC, and today I'm going to show you how to build the Sweep Wings Flinch. But first of all, I'm going to thank Ruben from Sweep Wings for sending me this kit for free to sponsor this video series about the Flinch. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box when you receive your Flinch. Here are all the contents. So the first step is obviously going to be to glue the midsection to the wing halves and get wing halves on the other side. Therefore we're going to need the wing, some Gorilla Glue or any kind of glue, and with the Gorilla Glue some water to kick it, then some masking tape, a sanding block, as well as a towel for the water. First we're going to take our sanding block and we're just going to sand the edge right here where we're going to glue the midsection on. I use a 240 grade sandpaper on a sanding block, and I'm just gonna rub it 2 or 3 times like this until the surface is pretty smooth. And we're gonna repeat this with the midsection. That's okay, just like that. As you can see, I'm using quite a lot of glue. Now we're going to align the 2 surfaces again. And we can tape this. And now I'm going to kick it with the water. Just like so. And as you can see, the Gorilla Glue dried and it just kind of foamed out, which is very good. But now we're not gonna sand it yet. We're first gonna put some spars in. And we'll put these in with Gorilla Glue as well, so it's gonna foam up again. I'll cut the other one as well. So now, as you can see, I've glued in all the spars and the glue is pretty much dry. So the next step is going to be to take a sharp knife and just cut off all the glue that foamed out. That's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, I have cut off most of the Gorilla Glue that foamed out, and now I'm gonna have to sand down the whole wing. So once again, I'm using 240 grit sandpaper on a sanding block. As you can see, I can now put this plate in here, like that, and it's being held in place, so that I can drill without problems. Now we're gonna glue on our aluminium motor plate to our airplane. Therefore, we're just gonna take a little measurement. I'm gonna put the motor mount like 2 or 3 centimeters away from the rear edge of the plane. So I'm just gonna estimate that a little bit, then try to align it like so. Put some glue onto the surface. As you can see, it's already sanded for you, so you don't even have to do that. Get some Gorilla Glue there. Try to align this as well as I can. Just kind of push it around to spread the glue, then put it in the center and make sure it's as straight as possible. Now, as you can see, I finished sanding the wing down, and I've also already painted it. I painted it before laminating it, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna remove the tape and re-reel the plate. Now the next step is going to be to cut some of your equipment bays, like for your ESC right here, for your battery, for your video transmitter, for your control receiver. Take the sharp razor blade, and I'm just going to cut the shape out. So now I'm going to laminate my wing. This is going to be the last part of this video. The rest is going to be in part 2. But to laminate, you need obviously your wing, your laminating film, your laminating iron. Mine is just a Hobby King or Turn and Sheet $20 laminating iron, and just a little X-Acto knife. And I also took one of the foam bits inside the box where it came shipped in, and also took some laminating film to figure out the temperature. Mine is right now set to like nearly 3/4 of the heat. And with this piece right here, I'm just gonna check if the temperature is right. Measure it about to the middle. You have to put it like sideways a little bit, because it's not wide enough, the whole roll. But then just cut it off with your razor blade or scissors or whatever you want to use. Then put it on here. Make sure that all the area you want to cover is covered. Then just start using the iron. I usually just like make one little island in here to make it stick down. And then I'm working out towards the outside of the plane, like that. So as you can see, I've laminated the whole wing, and I've also painted it before laminating. So that's done. I've also laminated into the equipment base right here and here and here. And so that was part 1 of this build video of the Sweep Wings Flinch. Once again, thanks to Ruben from Sweep Wings for sending me this plane. And if you want to see part 2 of this build, where I'm going to install electronics and stuff like that, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.